I don't see any signs. Oh, there we go. Coffee shop. Oh, there's the one you lock. Lockport. That's a cool lock. And they're actually using it right now. They just shut it. We heard them do it. First locks on the Erie Canal. Let's go take a look at the... Got a little tourist boat in there, and they just shut the locks. Now they're filling up the water. They're going to raise it to the level of the next section of the canal, and that boat's going to keep going.
Yeah, I just stopped
Going up, then up, then up.
There's just some history and stuff. Right over here on these stairs, there's all these statues. Yes, we definitely have to get a picture of those. You go down from over there. You get down right
Ha!
there.
This is what it was.
What's that?
On the top of the fender. They're making the noise. Oh, you weren't there. I kept having a noise from my fender. No, it was a little piece of tape. It was stuck right up here.
3 minutes away, so.
3 minutes away? Well, let's go get pictures first. What big dish?
Lockport. We are on Main Street now. If you want, I can lock yours up on mine.
Either way, I'll just move it up here. These guys are no.
Video should be here somewhere.
Rolling.
Slowing!
Going, guys. This is where I got on.
Zip lining up there. All right, leaving Lockport. This is a pretty nice stop. We stopped at Big Ditch Brewing Company. Got a big plate of food, much needed. Lockport, coming up on a little bridge. Steel deck bridge, drawbridge.
Up there. There's the gravel. Welcome to the gravel bike ride.